Morning children. Today I am going to explain the companion activities in page number 15. Are you ready for that? See, first one. Read this comic strip to see the journey of a letter and fill in the blanks. Here, I am giving inside a box which is red in color. It is a dash. Dear children, what is this? This is a post box. Post box is red in color. Okay. Next stage. Who is this man? Where is he taking us? He is the postman. He is the postman. He is taking us to the post office. Next one. Somebody puts a seal on the postage stamp. See, this is a letter, children. This man puts the stamp on it. Next one. Somebody puts a seal on the letters again. What now? Yeah. Do you know we have a stamp cards? Do you know? Stamps. When you fix the stamps, it will reach very safely and very quickly. Otherwise, some letters will going to be missed. So the mans who are working in post office, they will add some stamps on the letter. Okay. Next one. Hello fellow travelers. What are we doing inside this box? We are waiting for the man in uniform to come and pick us up. Right? These letters waiting for the postman. Postman will come and take these letters, pick up these letters, and he will give to the particular or a person's what they are sent. Next one. Here, why am I being separated from the others? Postal card has feeling like this. Why I am being separated from others? Because of one letter should go to one places. That means particular places. That is why letters should be separated. In the next stage, in the mail van, is this the last part of my journey? Yeah, here postal card giving, saying bye to the remaining letters, like send off. Next one. The postman delivers letter to the destination. Oh great, I have reached. What an adventure it was. Yeah, this is a life story of postal card letters, right? From stage 1 to the last stage. At last, the card has reached the final destination. This is the journey of a letter. Next children, turn the page. Children, this is a interview an adult who uses a mobile phone. Are you ready for that? Fill in the responses to the following questions. Here in the interview, the interviewer asked some questions. Then the boy who came to the interview, he will have to answer that. First one. Do you use your mobile phone while driving? If you use yes, just put tick mark in yes box. If it is no, just put tick mark in no box. Second question. If yes, do you think it is safe to do so? No, it is not safe to do. No, while driving, it is dangerous. So that is why it's not safe to do. Third one. What do you like best about mobile phones? Yeah, we are using mobile phones. The best thing is communication, getting knowledge, sharing information. Okay? You can, if you want to add remaining, you can add. Okay? These are some examples. Fourth one. What do you use your mobile phone for the most? Sending a message or making calls? Okay, your mobile phone use it for sending messages, means you can write the sending messages. Otherwise, most of your mobile phone use it for making calls, means you can write making calls. And fifth one. What do you think are some disadvantages of mobile phones? Yeah, radiation. We are getting radiation and getting eyesight also and spondylitis. Do you know the spinal cord also always we are keeping at one position only, one angle only, then we will get a spondylitis, and as well as eyesight and radiation also. You know, some skin disease also will come. These are the disadvantages of mobile phones. So children, so don't misuse that mobile phone. This is good for whenever you use the mobile phone minimum time, it is good for us. Otherwise, we will get these problems, health problems. Okay, children. Next, we have project in page number 17. Look at this. Look at the advertisement carefully and answer the questions that follow. Then make your own poster for advertising a communication system of your choice. Present the poster in class. Work in teams. Here, wish to convey something immediately. Wish to send pictures. Want to save paper. Yeah. Here, email is your way. That means email means only it can go immediately. We can send that pictures also. And if you send the email, you can save the paper also, because there is no need paper and pen. Email is only completely about internet and the smart mobile phone or computer, right? We no need to have the paper and pen. Email is your way. Reach anyone, anywhere, anytime. No snail mail, only email. Snail mail means snail is going very slowly, right? But email, it's go very fastly. That is the no snail mail, only email. And here, which communication system does this poster advertise? Email, electronic mail. Okay. From second question onwards, this is your work will start. On a sheet of a chart, make an advertisement for another communication device or system. For example, I have written here the communication system or device user. We have different kind of communication systems like pictures, sign language, written and spoken, right? You can choose any one of that. And theme or concept of the advertisement. Yeah, you can write what do you want to present, okay, what do you want to represent, what do you want to convey. Just theme you have to write. ఓకే, మీరు ఏమైతే పోస్టల్ కార్డ్ పిక్చర్ పోస్టర్ అయితే ప్రిపేర్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారో చిల్డ్రన్, మీరు ఒక పోస్టర్ ప్రిపేర్ చేసి ఎనీ మీన్స్ ఆఫ్ కమ్యూనికేషన్, దట్ మీన్స్ రిటెన్ ఆర్ స్పోకెన్, సైన్ లాంగ్వేజ్ ఆర్ పిక్చర్స్, యూ కెన్ యూజ్ ఎనీ వన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్. సో మీరు ఈ 4 కమ్యూనికేషన్ మెథడ్స్లో ఏదో ఒక మెథడ్ యూజ్ చేసుకొని ఒక పోస్టర్ ప్రిపేర్ చేయండి. ఆ పోస్టర్ ద్వారా మీరేమి కన్వే చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారో దాంట్లో మెన్షన్ చేయాలి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, దిస్ బాయ్ వాంట్ టు షేర్ సంథింగ్, సో వాట్ హీ హ్యాస్ చూజన్ త్రూ ది ఈమెయిల్, electronic mail. Like that, you have to choose any one of the way. Okay. Now turn the page. Here, characters for the advertisement and words to be written in the advertisement. Yeah, what are the words you have to written on the advertisement? That words you have to write. And a sketch of the advertisement. Yeah, just rough sketch. You have to draw a rough sketch here in this given space. Then show to me.